Hi guys. So, do you hear me? So this is the car crash. What? Okay, guys. What I was saying. This is the car crash, part 2. But I'm doing it in a Samsung, guys. Okay. So, let's begin the whole video. Please don't crash. Wait, guys. Before we start the video, I don't have the same car here, so I built my own car. So let's just begin now. Make sure it doesn't crash again. Please don't crash. Let's just put our seatbelts. What happened? I think she's there. There we go. That is not the thing I wanted to do. Okay, let's just drive. Do not open it because that's a monster. Okay, the monster's just gonna crash. Wait. Okay. I forgot to put corn and apple. Oh my gosh, that's a monster. Okay. Whatever you do not go over him. What happened? Okay. Oh my gosh. And also, guys, good news. We can skip ads. It's not because of the pals. It's because of Lucky Love the game. I knew that trick. Someone showed me. Wait. What happened? Just a moment. Oh no, what happened here? Wait, I forgot. I need to dress. What have I done? There. Let's activate. Just don't let us jump scare, okay? This is the worst I ever seen. Wait. I forgot about it. Wait, the controller just fall? What? Why? Okay, I'm not doing that again. Wait. I don't know how to move the controller. I watch this one too. Wait, why did it teleport there? Wait, move by yourself. Ow. Why the lag? Bruh. I broke the lag. Okay, better not happen this again. Oh, I forgot we can draw like the other one. Why does this keep happening? Why? I put it right here. I put it here so it doesn't make it come. Because I don't want it to make it like again. Don't care. Wait, where's that hat? There. Just he's not moving anymore. No, I can't skip ads. There. Wait. Remove this. The other ones too. Wait, what happened? Oh no! Oh no! It's moving by itself! Wait, try to make it go there. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Why? Wait, what? I don't know why I put it here, so it's just speaking. Wait, why? Why did that happen? Wait. Wait. I don't know why I recorded. There. Activate. I isn't activating. It's the Z belt. There. Wait, I need to follow it too. Wait. There. I don't know why he's dead. She's dead. Wait, no, not that thing. My compounds are finally. Okay, guys. That took me a hard time to do this because, and also I was too tired to make pumpkin Z-Bell. Wait, I can do it like this. Don't crash, please. You. Wait. Don't you dare move. I know it's gonna get it. No thanks, and do not get the song, YouTube. This is not the song. This is not the song. If it pops up, then YouTube will be sold up. Okay, so what's it about to do? Oh. Cut off this. Cut off this. What? Oh my gosh! Oh, wait! Wait! Ah! Wait! Ah, no, wait! Wait, let me go to settings. Wait, no. 0.01. Oh, I didn't record it, guys. I didn't record it. Sorry, I skipped it. There. Ah, oh my gosh, I'm safe. And the monster's gone. Oh my gosh, I'm safe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, what happened? What's happening? Yep, I forget. Okay, I'll skip it. Ugh. Ugh. I'm safe. I just holding it. Popcorn is gone. Wait, why is it still going? Ah, no, the Y is gone. The Y is gone. The Y is gone. I don't want to stay like this. Well, you need to. Ah. Oh my gosh, I'm still standing. I'm still standing. Oh my gosh, I'm still standing. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. Oh, I'm falling. I'm falling. Please don't fall. Pumpkin. Oh my gosh. Please don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. I'm trying. Ah! Oh no! Ah! Wait, let me turn this to slow motion. I'ma catch you. I'ma hold you. Okay, you can hold me. I can never die with you. Oh my gosh. Ah! Come on, we're almost there. It's taking forever, guys. There. Oh gosh, I'm here. Oh my gosh, that was very close. Man, I can stay here. Oh my gosh. I have one leg left. Yep. I make melon as new because I just wanted to. Wait, why is the flashes going off?
No quiero que estés jugando eso. ¿Oíste?
Sorry about that, guys.
¿Por qué estás hablando? ¿Y quién te escucha?
Hold on. Dude. What? What? Wait. Wait, don't tell me the roof is falling. Oh my gosh. Don't hit it, Pumpkin. Oh my gosh, the roof. Ah, help. Stop pushing. Oh my gosh, the roof is so, ow. Oh my gosh, stop, please, I don't want to die. Go up. Oh my gosh, I'm safe now. Wait! The wheel! Oh no, the wheel's gone! Oh, no, you can't drive like this. How are you gonna drive? Wait, there's a truck. Let's ride on it. I can help you every day. Yes. Go speed up.